Forms are boring. Not anymore. Introducing MakeForms, the only form builder you'll ever need. MakeForms revolutionizes the way we handle forms by seamlessly connecting the dots from creation to responses. Simply create a form using the innovative drag-and-drop form builder, or just tell AI what type of form you want. And voila, a new form is ready. Want form fields to show up one at a time? Done. Prefer a step-by-step form? Next. Or show all fields at once? Gotcha. And of course, you want to use your fonts, your brand, and your custom domain. And you want to organize forms across multiple workspaces while collaborating with team members. Done and done. But wait, there's so much more.
Wait a minute!
Let's talk about security. Your data needs to stay safe. Don't worry, MakeForms ensures compliance with all the latest standards such as SOC 2, ISO 27001, CCPA, GDPR EU and UK, HIPAA, and of course HIPAA for healthcare professionals. Let's get rid of those expensive survey and quiz builders. MakeForms replaces them too. Want unique tracking links to track sources effectively? Say no more. Set up custom workflows and analyze all data in multiple views such as summary, table, and business intelligence modes. Complete with pivot tables. Yep, I said pivot tables for all you Excel nerds. MakeForms is truly the most cutting-edge AI-powered form builder ever available. Get your hands on MakeForms now, and let's make forms great again.